Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie and I do food hauls once a week. I do a click and collect order from Asda and then I show you what I've got. Firstly, my cooker hob isn't very clean. I forgot to clean it. Got a new dog, constantly cleaning up after her, following around the house to make sure she's not up to something that she shouldn't be. Secondly, if I'm not speaking clearly, it's because I've had a dental accident. Well, had an accident and broke my front tooth quite a while ago. The dentists weren't allowed to drill at the time, so they did a temporary fix, which looked hideous, but I guess it was better than nothing. And then yesterday, was about to bite something, felt something move, and the temporary fix was super loose. It's since fallen out with a big chunk of my tooth, and I can't get hold of the dentist. I've left messages, not very happy. I'm struggling to talk. It's painful, and I can't bite anything because it's literally one of my front teeth. So if I do speak unclearly, that is why. I'm concentrating on how I'm speaking. I don't know if there's any substitutions. I don't know if there's anything not in stock. I've literally not looked at the order receipt. I've just started to put it out because I need to get it out, put it away, and then ring the dentist again. Right, I did miss out things on my shopping because I was doing something, forgot about the shopping, rushed on about 20 to 10, and I know that there's things that I would normally get that I haven't got, so yeah. So the first thing I got, this says it was new, and it's lemon and herb chicken breast slices, limited edition. Then there is some breaded dry cured ham, some British classic mash, a sweet tart cabbage, Chinese style chicken breast slices. These are new. I don't think there was any reviews on them. 2 chicken breast fillets, some tender stem broccoli, and some sliced red onion. Then I got sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice, 2 cinnamon buns, Cajun loaded chicken mini fillets. There's some British Aberdeen Angus lean beef mince for me, and some British Aberdeen Angus beef for the person that I live with. I got a Weight Watchers Bolognese bake. Then I got Nurofen, didn't get any last week, but I seem to have some. Don't know how many I've got left. Panadol, some matches. Oh, there's Nurofen. This must be the one that I'm currently using. Then I just got an Asda Price garlic bread. I don't eat it in one go. Normally I'll break 2 pieces off and put it in the oven, so it lasts me a while or a few meals anyway. And it's really cheap and it's good. I got the Farm Stores mash for the person that I live with. 3 packs of a 3-pack of peppers, some lemons for honey, lemon and ginger, 3 cucumbers, some spring onions, some fresh ginger, some oak smoked garlic, a dog, then I got these 20 lights. Don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but they're only £2, so I got them. I got 4 barrel in the bag long grain rice because I finished the final pack either this week or last week, so I've just replaced them. It's like 70p or something for 4, super cheap. Then I got 4 different sauces, so this is the one that I wanted. It's 4 for £2. I think you basically get 1 for free. I got spaghetti bolognese, a sausage casserole, and a cottage pie mix. I normally make my own cottage pie, but I thought I would try this to see what I think of it. 2 bags of the Mealworm Pellets. I'm about to run out of these, so I probably should have got more. I got a Furry Platinum. I'm about halfway through one, so I didn't really need one, but I've got it anyway. It'll get used at some point. 2 bags of the Jumbo Mini Beef and Poultry and Beef and Poultry. Did think I got a chicken one, doesn't matter. Pack of Weetabix because I've finished the Weetabix either yesterday or the day before, so I have eaten them. And I got these two fake, I think they're fake, Christmas plant things. Don't know where I'm going to put them. But I don't really decorate too much at Christmas, but I wanted a little bit more I wanted a little bit of festive decor. And it was only £2 for this one. So this one, it's got like pine and pine cones in. I think that's eucalyptus, I could be wrong. I mean, it could be mistletoe. No, because it's not got the white bits on. But yeah, I've just got that. And I also got this one. This was the first one that I put in. This seems to be a bit more substantial for the £2. I think it's £2 as well. It's got the berries, it's got like fake snow on. And like, it looks like pine from a pine tree. Pine cone. So I really like that one. Firstly, there was a rubber thrower. It's kind of like a pearlescent with blue and pink glitter. And it's kind of almost bone shaped and it's squeaky, and she just took it out the bag. Then I got a John West fridge pot. I think they're on offer. I only get it when it's on offer. I don't have any tuna in at all, so really I should have got a pack of tuna, like 4-pack. 2 packs of 12 bites because 12s are out of stock. Alport almond no sugar. Sephora, rhubarb and cassis. This is the one they gave me last week. It actually smells really nice. Unfortunately, the dog likes the smell of it and tries to lick the floor after I've mopped the floor with it. So she can't be around when I clean the floor, basically. A small Lucasade Energy. Some Happy Egg Co. eggs. Then I got these lights. There was another lot of lights that I ordered, but they're not here. I got these super cute napkins. Don't know why, but I just thought it'd be nice to be a bit more festive and have them. Finally got some crisps. Couldn't get any last week. The week before I got something that I don't normally eat. So I ordered some crisps from Randall's UK. They do imported like goodies from around the world, and I ordered some imported crisps. Ate both packets yesterday. They were big packets, by the way. So yeah. A seeded batch. I actually thought I'd forgotten to order bread, so I'm happy that I got bread. Then it was 2 for £6 on the Christmas chocolates. So the first one I got was these. Who remembers when the tubs used to be absolutely massive and now they're not? And when they are massive, when you open it, there's hardly anything in. So I got the Dairy Milk Freddo and Friends. And I got the Cadbury Heroes because I'm a Cadbury fan. So I got them.